Tired of awkward money requests and messy IOUs? You're not alone. Let's dive into how to effortlessly request money from friends and family using PocketGuard. Imagine this: you and your friends just crushed a weekend getaway. You split the hotel, the food, even the Uber rides. But now, it's time for the dreaded who owes who what conversation. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, because PocketGuard has a simple and elegant solution. PocketGuard isn't just about tracking your spending, it's your all-in-one financial assistant. And one of its awesome features is the ability to easily request and receive money from others. No more spreadsheets, no more awkward texts, just smooth sailing. Step-by-step guide. Let's walk through how to do it. Open your PocketGuard app, find the Request Money button. It's usually easily accessible, often on the main screen or within the Social tab. Select the recipient, choose the friend or family member you're requesting money from. Enter the amount, type in the exact amount you're requesting. Add a description, briefly explain what the money is for. For example, dinner at, restaurant name, weekend trip, or gas for the road trip. Customize the request. You can often personalize the request with a friendly message. Send the request, hit send. PocketGuard will notify your friend or family member about your request. Receiving money. Now, let's say you're on the receiving end of a money request. Check your PocketGuard notifications. You'll receive a notification when someone requests money from you. Review the request, check the amount, the reason for the request, and any accompanying messages. Accept or decline. If you agree, simply accept the request. PocketGuard will guide you through the payment process, which might involve linking your bank account or using a payment service like Venmo or PayPal. If you can't pay at that moment, you can often decline politely. Benefits of using PocketGuard for money requests. Why should you use PocketGuard for money requests instead of other methods? Here are a few key advantages. Simplicity. The process is incredibly user-friendly. Organization. All your money requests and payments are neatly organized within the app. Convenience. Request money and receive payments directly from your phone. Reduced awkwardness. Avoid those uncomfortable who owes who what conversations. Increased accountability. Clear records of who owes what can help prevent misunderstandings. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips to make the most of PocketGuard's money request feature. Be clear and concise. When making a request, clearly state the amount and the reason. Personalize your requests. Add a friendly note to make your request more personable. Respond promptly. If you receive a request, try to respond as quickly as possible. Use the app regularly. Keep your PocketGuard updated with your transactions to ensure accurate records. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy requesting.